Doing Miata shit and making a mess. Hello, internet people, and welcome to the garage. All right, here we are. Another day working on the Miatas. Last time we were able to get all the suspension out, a couple bits of the Miata number 1 out, and let's see if today we can get a motor and transmission out and on a stand. So follow along.
That's impressive though. The pressure plate's not even covered in clutch.
That is a brand new clutch.
Flywheel's brand new looking.
It has less than 500 miles on it.
The hardware's even new?
The hardware's all brand new.
The hardware when you did it?
Everything is brand new, man. That's how I do it.
Go! Go back in it. Down a little bit.
And now we're going to find the tensile strength of everything that we didn't disconnect yet.
That's okay. If it's still connected, it wasn't meant to be kept, right? Lift the whole car up.
Loose!
No, I think that bushing's, or that motor mount's a little bad.
Wow.
It's completely separated.
I'm glad, well, we might have just done that.
Ah, good point.
So,
Yeah, but that's a definite...
good thing we got new motor mounts. But then again, I might have just done that.
I don't know, man. I mean, it's possible, but it definitely looks chunked out, like it's been riding on a spot time.
It's so cute. It's so pretty.
Look how fresh and so
I
clean.
know.
That is brand new. You hot spotted the clutch a little bit.
I did what?
See all these
See the
hot
markings?
spots right there? That's just from slipping the clutch, or I mean, I also might have launched it when it was. I wanted to break.
Brand new. Bedding the clutch.
Yep.
Yeah, because I'm a really. I wouldn't have done any of that.
Make sure it works, right? You just spent hours and days and however long.
Yeah, I took it out and I launched it, and it held. So I was like,
Quality product right there.
yeah, put everything with red Loctite in. So.
So it wasn't actually you? You're admitting it was you?
Played the fifth.
I plead a fifth.
Can you not talk about my headers like that?
It's just the pinch on them is aggressive.
It's a Miata.
That's called back pressure for torque, my dude.
No, I'm just like,
Yeah.
wow, they're so tiny already.
Whoa.
Or thing you like it.
Doing a heck and chop.
Doing a heck and shop. I need a haircut.
I'll get on it.
I need a haircut too, man. Oh shit. Should get on it. I'm gonna work on getting the rear diff out first, I think.
Hold yourself.
Yeah. Alright, subframe is out. We have just barely enough room. Ta-da.
Good job, man. Where are we gonna put it?
I'm not sure how to get it out of this area.
Yay.
Oh, that was a pain. Oh, do I have some dirt on my face?
No, not at all.
Okay, good. Gotta look good for the camera. All right. Oh, that was fun. All right. There we go. Yeah, that one's a little bit more dirtier than that one. So, these heater cores are made out of copper or very soft metal, usually aluminum or something. And when you take these hoses off, you could break it inside and then you got to take the whole dash out to replace it. So whenever you take these hoses off, you want to pull the clamp off and you want to start slitting it like this so that you can pry it open and not worry about getting a new heater core, because it's a lot less money and a lot less effort to replace a heater core hose than it is to replace a heater core. For example, on this car, we were taking it off because we didn't care about it. We crushed this pipe here, and this would never seal up again. It would always leak. And the problem is, if it leaks, it might not be leaking on the outside. It'll leak on the inside, and your floor will get all wet with coolant. You don't want that. That's a bad time.
It's a bad time.
That's a bad time. There. And now that's not damaged. And you don't have to worry about leaks when you put your new hose on.
Whoa.
Okay, well, at least my rear main seal job wasn't that bad. So,
Yeah.
so that's pretty good. That's actually leaking down and gross.
Yeah, I got it on my finger. Good time.
You got the plug of death that's just about ready to burst. Feel that? So that blew out on her on the freeway twice.
Really?
Yeah, it blew out
I think
Was it
3
like-
times.
3 times
Yeah,
before we
because-
finally just put a hose on it and it never had that issue again. Well, that's it for today. We got 2 motors out and 2 transmissions out and subframe, drive shaft, all the big stuff. So now it's all the little things and yeah. Watch her. That's it.
That's it.
It's like we're almost there.